Hello students, standard 7th, chapter number 6 in mathematics, the triangle and its properties. In last session we learned some results about the sum of the two sides and difference of two sides. We saw that sum of the two sides of the triangle is always larger than the third side. And also we saw that the difference of the length of two sides, any two sides of a triangle, is less than the third side. And we started the exercise 6.4 also. Today, the question number 4, in which ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now we have to check whether AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. So here we have to take 4 triangles one by one, and we have to use that result that we learned, that sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. So first we will take in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. Give it result number 1. Then in triangle BCD, so in triangle BCD, BC plus CD so BC plus CD is greater than BD. Now we will take the third triangle CDA. So CD plus DA CD plus DA is greater than AC. And last triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, DA plus AB is greater than the BD. So here we got 4 results by taking 4 different triangles. Now we will add these 4 results, means adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first here is AB plus BC plus BC plus CD plus CD plus DA plus DA plus AB, and which is greater than, now thus 4, AC plus BD plus AC plus BD, AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. Now you can see that on the LHS, AB is 2 times, BC is also 2 times, CD is also 2 times, DA is also 2 times. So all of them are 2 times. So 2 times, so we can write down in the bracket 2 times AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And on the RHS also AC and BD both are 2 times. 2 times AC plus BD. Now we will divide both the sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2, we get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. So here, to check it, we have to take 4 triangles and we take the results according to the thing that we learn, that sum of the 2 sides of a triangle, any 2 sides, is greater than the third side. So now here the next question is question number 5, and that question number 5 is little different from this. So you think you will be able to do it yourself. So I am leaving it for your homework. Now question number 6. What does it say? The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what? Two measures should the length of the third side fall? So here given that the two sides are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Now we have to guess that third side, the length of the third side will lie between which two numbers? Because it cannot exceed some number, it cannot be go less than that number, according to our 2 important results that we learned. So now we know that difference of two sides is less than third side, and it is less than sum of two sides. So now difference means greater minus smaller, means 15 centimeter minus 15 minus 12 centimeter. Less than third side, and that will be less than 15 plus 12. So 15 minus 12 is 13 centimeter, less than third side, and which will be less than 27 centimeter. Therefore, you can write down measure of third side will fall between 13 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So the measure of third side of triangle will be between 13 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Now we are going to learn about a very important property about the right angled triangle. We know that in a triangle, if one of the angle is of 90 degree means right angle, then that triangle is known as right angled triangle. Now, in a right angled triangle, the side which is opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse, and the other two sides, they are known as legs. So here you can see that triangle ABC, here angle B is right angle, so it is a right angled triangle. So now the side AC is opposite to the right angle, so this is the hypotenuse, and other two sides means AB and BC are the legs. So that is the hypotenuse, and the other two sides which are forming right angle, that two sides are known as the legs. Now, so here line segment AC is the hypotenuse and AB and AC are the legs of triangle ABC. So now we are going to learn about the very important property that will be useful in the higher standards also, and that is Pythagoras property. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher, and he found a very important property about the right angled triangle. And as he found that property, he discovered it, and therefore in his honor, the property is also given the name as Pythagoras property. And this Pythagoras property, in the higher standards, it is given proof also as a theorem that you will learn in standard 10th. It is step by step, it is proved. But here we don't have to prove that property, but we have to just understand what does it says and how can we use it in the examples. So let us understand what is a Pythagoras property. In a right angled triangle, that is the property, in a right angled triangle, square of hypotenuse, means whatever is the length of the hypotenuse, we have to make square of it. Means if it is 5, 5 square is 25, 7, then 7 square is 49, according to that. So square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of its legs. Means we have to make the square of the legs and add them. So the both answer will be same. Which both answer? One side the square of hypotenuse, another side sum of the square of the legs. So here both the answers will be same, and it is happen only for right angled triangle, not for acute angle or the obtuse angled triangle. So let us understand with the help of the figure. Here in triangle ABC, we can see that angle B is the right angle. It is the 90 degree right angle. So we know that AC is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square means AC square is equal to sum of the squares of the legs. So one leg is AB, other leg is BC. So we have to do the square, means AB square plus BC square. So the in triangle ABC, if angle B is right angle, then we can write down according to the Pythagoras property that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we can go reverse also. If the three sides of the triangle are given, but we don't know whether it is a right angled triangle or it is not, then we can check that which side is the longest, make the square of it, and sum of the square of other two sides. If the Pythagoras property will hold, then we can say that triangle is a right angled triangle. Because Pythagoras property holds if and only if the triangle is right angled triangle. It will not hold for any other triangle. Not for the acute angle triangle and not even for the obtuse angle triangle. It will hold only for the right angle triangle. Doesn't matter the triangle is smaller or bigger or too much big. But this property will hold. And what is that property? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of its legs. And it is very, very important property, as I told you. And you will use this property so often in standard 8, standard 9 and standard 10 and so on. So you have to keep this property in your mind. So here we are going to finish today's session, which will be followed by PDF file. And if any confusion, you can write down your comments in your comment section. Thank you very much.